Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to contact Google Play support. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to contact Google Play support, there are multiple options, and first option is simply heading over and opening up a browser. Then on the search bar simply type in Google Play help, and then once that's done, simply tap on the first link that is shown to you. Then all you gotta do is browse common topics or search for your issue. The next option is contact support directly. You can visit Google Play help contact and scroll down to find contact us or need more help option. Choose the topic related to your issue, example purchases and refunds, subscriptions and account. Then select the contact method by using chat with a support agent or request a call from the Google Play support or email support. Then you can also do it through the app as well by simply heading over and opening the Google Play Store app on your Android device, tapping on the profile icon on the top right and selecting help and feedback. Then browse FAQs or tap contact us at the bottom and choose your issue and preferred contact method. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.